Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check for software updates on your Kobo Libra Colour e-reader. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the More button on the bottom right of your screen, then click on Settings, then click on Device Information, and here under Software Details you'll see Update Check. So you can click now the Check for Updates option, check the Check for Updates button, and it's going to connect to a Wi-Fi network and check for updates. It says so right here, and you can see that your e-reader will say that it's up to date, or it will notify you that you need to update your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.